Hi everybody, it's me. Hey, I'm here doing a face-to-face video, sort of face-to-face, because I wanted to let y'all know that I am back and I'm doing videos again. I'm trying to get my channel moving again, and I thought, you know, it might be a good thing for me to get in here and just kind of try and do a personal touch to my video. I know I never show my face in my videos. It's always just these hands. But I thought it might be a good idea for me to actually talk to y'all and let you know that I'm back and I'm crafting again, and I'm super excited about it. And I'm going to be working, sort of collaborating again with Debbie Cottrell of Kiki Sale. She's got a Facebook page where she sells different items. She sells lace and bling and all kinds of things, resin pieces that she makes herself. And so I'm gonna do a little bit of collaborating with her, and also I'm gonna try and do a little bit more of letting you guys know what I've got available in my Etsy shop. I'm gonna be adding some supplies and things to my Etsy shop. Generally what I do is I will put the items that I make on my YouTube channel in my shop and sell them, and that way, you know, I can kind of get them out there and let you guys know what I've got. I also make a lot of things in between that I sell in my shop. I've got over 200 items, I think, in my shop right now. But I'm also going to start selling some supplies, whether it be, you know, some of these handmade flowers that I make, or some of the flowers that I'm able to purchase and get at a lower price to sell. And also just bits and pieces, things that you might be able to use in your crafts. Kits. I'm going to try and put together more kits and have those available in my shop. Generally, my kits will be items that are from videos that I've done, so that you can take my videos and put them to work, and I can kind of supply you with the things that I use. They may not be the exact same tools that I used in my video, but they will be similar like items that you can use, and you can pick from them, because I do put pictures up to show you everything that you're going to get in the kits. Right now I have I've already sold one, but I have two more applique kits in my store, so there's a whole bunch of little items in there for making appliques. I've only got 2 kits in my store right now. And then just so that you guys know, whenever you order something from my shop, I also add a little extra something. I try to put in a little thank you gift so that, you know, I can say thank you to you guys for shopping in my Etsy store and you know, supporting me, and it helps to support my channel when you buy from my Etsy shop, because that way I'm able to purchase more items to do my videos and things like that. So anyway, I just want to say thank you to all of the people who've supported me in the past and continue to support me. And you know, I've got a lot of people out there, subscribers, that have sent me things to use in my videos, whether it be tools or supplies, bling, lace, flowers, resin pieces, cameos. I mean, I've received everything, and some of the people that have helped me, you know who you are. I can name a few names. I'm not going to get everybody out there, but Debbie Cottrell is one of them. Kim, I'm not going to say your last name because I don't think you want it said, but my friend Kim has sent me some awesome things. Linda Anthony, thank you from the bottom of my heart for the support that you've given me and Jeff, so that we can continue to craft. You've done a lot to help me out, and I appreciate it so much. I'm going to cry. No, I don't want to cry. So Linda Anthony, Candace, you've helped me. Candace sent me lace and rhinestones and triple thick and diamond dust and glitters and bling of all kinds. She has sent me hundreds of dollars worth of things. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And Carol Nixon, my friend Carol, Nancy Hudgens, Lori Knowles of Happy Birds Glitter Nest. She doesn't send me supplies, but she helped me get my YouTube channel started. She helped me to get the nerve to even do this whole YouTube thing. I'm not one that speaks in front of people really well. I've had to do it my entire career, oddly enough, speaking to groups of people, and never felt that I was really great at it, but I would, muster up my courage and my energy and did the best I could. But she gave me the courage to get out here and get on camera and do this. And part of that is why I don't normally show my face in my videos. I don't, number one, feel it's really necessary. And number two, it makes me a little more nervous to show who I am. I'm getting old. Anyway, but not so old that, hey, we all get old. We all get wrinkles, and we look different as we age, and there's nothing wrong with that. I'm still a good crafter, and I enjoy what I do. I enjoy talking with all of you, even though you can't talk back to me. I enjoy having my little conversations and telling my stories and all that good stuff. But there are other people that, Aileen Nichols, you've been an amazing friend. Flora Crow, I just adore you. You're such a sweetheart. These are people that I know from Happy Birds Glitter Nest, and they have been good friends to me and blessed me beyond what I could possibly even imagine. And thank you all for your blessings and your just everything you do in life in general to help me. I've made some amazing friends, and if you all get a chance, run on over to Happy Birds Glitter Nest on Facebook. She's got, that's Lori's page, and she's got over 10,000 people in the group. I would say it's probably over 20,000 by now, and it's just such an awesome group of people who support each other, post their crafts, give tips and tricks on how to do things, and it's just an amazing group, and I think you guys would enjoy getting in there and maybe sharing some of the things that you do and getting some tips and tricks from them. But anyway, I wanted to make this a quick video just to, hey, how you doing? Hang in there with me, and I'm going to get this thing going again, and I appreciate you all so very much, and please be blessed, be safe, take care of yourselves, and, leave me a comment down below. Let me know, what kinds of things you enjoy doing or what you might like to see on my channel, and I'd be happy to try and come up with some of those ideas where I can, maybe do some different projects that maybe I haven't done before. I enjoy doing things that I haven't done before because I'm a little bit all over the place sometimes, and so I like to change it up. I don't like to do the same thing all the time. So, give me some ideas, things that you'd like to see, and I'm happy to put them up there. Thanks so much, everybody. Please be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.